Hi guys, so right now I'm actually in my mom's room with my friend Michaela. She's talking to someone on her phone. It's actually almost 2 o'clock in the morning. Me and Michaela just got done watching scary movies.
Yeah, it's called Chucky. Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah. She scared the living heck out of me.
Yeah, and I'm boom.
Ew. But yeah. I've only had like a couple guests
I got a burp.
on my I've only had a couple guests on my channel, like my cousin Chelsea, and my friend Alex, and now it's Michaela
What?
or Miss Burper.
What's up? That's my name. Hashtag burp a lot. I don't know.
That'll be the title of this video.
Hashtag burp a lot.
Yeah. Sorry, I have no makeup on, so
Oh, you look
excuse.
beautiful without makeup anyways. You don't need that. I'm sorry. Continue. And that one.
So excuse my blank face. I actually
love your
haven't.
blank face.
Would you shut up? I haven't actually. Whoa, that hurt. I actually haven't had makeup on for a week now. Cause I've been at my Aunt Kristen's and we rarely went anywhere. Will you shut up?
I'm getting this. Not you. Continue.
Oh dear.
Ow.
See, life with her is never boring, I swear. And hopefully the next person I have on my channel is my friend Caitlin from school. Yes, I have a friend named Caitlin. But
It's not really a big deal.
will you shut up?
I don't want to. I mean, I don't want to. I said that to them.
I just got that on YouTube.
I know.
Idiot. But yeah. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh my god. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hashtag burps a lot. That's
Yeah.
me.
Oh yeah. Remember to love your family because you don't know when they're going to be gone. Love you guys.